It's time for an unboxing. So I will be choosing items one by one out of this box. First item, foam. Bro, it is a cube care card. Second item, oh look, it's a fridge magnet. Okay, fine, I'll do an actual item. A GAN keychain. Let's open it. Look at this. I love how it shines in the rainbow colors. It just looks so good. This is the cube. First, let's open the keychain. So the keychain has a nice blue color. I really like this shade. Now let's get onto the cube. I love how it's translucent and you can see like internal parts of it. It has GAN logos. If you look at it up close, they look really nice. So let's try and solve one and see how long it takes me to solve. About the turning, it turns very good or way better than the previous keychain I had, and I'm just mind blown at how good the corner cutting is. Like, how? Yeah. So let's do a solve and see. Alright, the cube is now scrambled. I made so many mistakes already in this solve. And a +2. But I would say that this is a really good keychain. So since this is a GAN product, it is obviously expensive. It's about 1,000 rupees, or in dollars it would be around $10, which is kind of expensive, but I'd say it is worth it. And since it is also the 10-year anniversary edition, it just looks sick. So yeah, if you are thinking of buying it, I'd say this is well worth it. So that will be it for today's unboxing. I'll be unboxing the other products in some future videos, and a little hint is that they are some kind of lubricants. Now there are two types of different, no, they are two different, they are lubricants from two different companies. So I will first review each of them and then make a video of comparing them. And yeah, thanks for watching.